Welcome back to another incredible tutorial about Google Drive and Google Gemini AI. Recently, Google integrates Gemini AI to Google Drive on Android phone. So for everyone using Android phone and you just want to make sure that you update your Google Drive to the latest version. For that, so first thing first, go ahead and open up your Play Store on your Android phone. And then having opened up your Play Store, click on search. Make sure you click on search app and type in Drive and hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Make sure you click on Google Drive right here. Just like so. So if you have not updated your Google Drive, you just want to make sure you update to the latest version. Then after a successful update, you have access to Google Gemini AI in your Google Drive. So after a successful update to the latest version, go ahead and open up the Google Drive. And it's going to load up just like so. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to see how we can make use of Gemini AI in our Google Drive. So you have some of your file from the home page right here, just like so. So now we want to use Google Gemini. So for that, we want to simply click on this icon of Gemini from the top right here. So go ahead and click on that. Then you have different things that you can do with your files, your documents in Google Gemini in Drive. What can Gemini do in Google Drive? Summarize a topic and then summarize a folder in my Drive, etc. So if you want to use it to summarize a folder in your Drive, simply click on summarize a folder just like so. And then in a few seconds, you have details. So this is the example of how you can actually summarize a folder. Please choose a folder you want to summarize by using art. So just come to the end and enter right here and type in art. Then you go ahead and select a particular folder that you want to summarize. So I'm going to select this folder right here. And then I will say, can you please summarize in detail? And send. Just like so. And in a few seconds, Gemini is going to summarize what we have in that particular folder, just like what you see right here. So you can go on and keep on asking different questions about this particular folder in Google Gemini. What item did your name purchase according to the receipt? So here, this is a receipt about a particular item that was in that particular folder. So we can go ahead and say, can you please translate the result into Chinese language? Should in case if you do not understand English, hit on send, and Google Gemini is going to give you the result in the chosen language, that just like what you see right here. You can go on and ask different things about this. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular features of Gemini integrated to Google Drive on Android device in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use Google Gemini AI with Drive, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.